How to send PDF file on Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can send PDF files on Messenger app. Now, to do so is quite simple. What you want to do is download an app called Google Drive. Now, on most of the devices, this app is already pre-installed. So if you don't have one, you would want to head over to App Store and Play Store and then search in for Google Drive and download it and open it up. And what you want to do is upload the PDF file on your Google Drive. Now, once you upload it, you'll get an interface like this, and with your uploaded PDF file or any file you have uploaded, you'll find the three dots option. Simply tap on the three dots option on the file that you want to share and then tap on send a copy. And what you want to do is here on the bottom you can see the messenger chats option. Simply tap on messenger chats and you'll get the option to send. You can see task completion.pdf right there. So this PDF file, once you send it, it will be sent. So this way you can send PDF file on Messenger. However, if you don't find this option, what you can do is open up the PDF file. You can take the screenshot real quick. Now, to take a screenshot, all you need to do is tap and hold your volume down button and your power button on your device, and it will take a screenshot. And now what you can do is head into the Messenger on the chat that you wanna share your PDF file with, and you from the gallery you can send the screenshot that you just took. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.